Hello. So on this video I want to show you guys a little bit of analysis that I have on Trump USDT, right? So Trump USDT is a cryptocurrency that I've been looking into for quite some time now. And yeah, the very first time that this coin came out, that Trump announced this coin, right? So the price pumped from where? From $27, 27 USDT to where? To 77 USDT. That was the all-time high, right? From 27 USDT to 77 USDT, that was the all-time high. Then from that 77 USDT, this coin became a dumb scheme, right? So it became a dumb scheme. You could see first of all how price it was, how price broke structure clearly to the downside on the H4 time frame, right? So it clearly broke structure right here on the line chart, showing that okay, we have what? We have bearish intentions. We have intended to do what? To move down, to move to the downside, right? So when price after price broke structure here, right, it created liquidity up here, right? Created liquidity up here, then tapped into this key level right here. So that's all-time high. That's price left as what? As a fresh key level, as a fresh supply, right? So tapped into this fresh supply, did what? Continued doing what? Continued dumping, right? So we've had dumps, right? Now price been creating what? Price been creating lows and lower lows, right? Lower highs and lower lows. And we get to understand that lower highs and lower lows signifies what? Lower highs and lower lows signifies a very steep downtrend, right? So this market obviously is in a very strong downtrend. Now let's go to daily chart to see what this market is telling us. Now on the daily chart, I can see that yeah, we've had some bearish candles right here. We've been getting bearish candles right here. We've been getting bearish candles right here. We've been getting bearish candles. But in between these points, we had what? We had a rejection candle, which was what? A rejection candle, which was what? Which was this hammer in between here, right? So this rejection candle shows that we might be having a little bit of bullish intentions, right? Now, I would have said that price would get to this open close key level and reject, right? And then dump, which it actually did. Now, price has rejected from this open close key level. Now, we'd see on the 1 hour what price is basically doing at that point, right? So, okay, now price rejecting from that key level, it was basically at this point price rejected from, right, from this neckline. If you check this head and shoulder, price rejected from this neckline, right? Feel this imbalance, took this liquidity, rejected from that neckline, and is dumping. Now our order flow signifies that this price action should do what? Should take out this low as well, right? This price action should take out this low basically, right? But then it's rejecting from where? It's rejecting from pushing away from this demand, right? Probably to take out this Asian high right here, fill this FVG, and possibly give us another dump, right? Now I'm saying that this guy has potentials of giving us our complete dump to take out where? To take out this low, right? To take out this low, because this low would be what? Would be the external liquidity. So basically price is moving from what? Internal liquidity, this is internal range liquidity, to external liquidity, and our points for price to be taken would be this low, because I don't actually think I don't actually think this Trump USDT would make any massive move to the upside unless there is a news that says otherwise, right? Unless there is a fundamental that says otherwise, right? Right now, BTC is kind of bearish based on the structure, right? Unless there is a fundamental to take out this high, you know, all that and all that and all that, right? Right. Then this is what we would be expecting. Highs taken, price comes to rebalance, old structure, and then give us a bullish price action, right? But then that being said, apart from that, we know that price action is way bearish on this guy, right? So talking about bearish price action on Trump USDT, let's take a look at BTC USD to give us like further clarification on what's going on right here, right? Let's take a look at BTC USD, right? So this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. Now I want you to understand something. If I Let's look at Bitcoin from the daily charts, right? Let's look at Bitcoin from the daily chart. You'd see that Bitcoin is basically bullish, right? Currently, Bitcoin is bullish, but on the lower time frame, on the short term, we're having a little bearish run, right? But after this bearish run, I believe Bitcoin should actually take out this new all-time high that it has created here. So you have to position yourself because we had this break of structure right here, right? We had this break of structure. Right? We first had a sweep of liquidity right here, we had price tagging towards a key level, a V-shape key level, right? As a demand key level, right? Key level, price broke structure up here with body, right? And with what? With wick. But if price does not break structure with body, then we know that, oh, this stuff that we're doing here is actually crazy. What happened? Pricing break structure with no, it broke structure with body. Yeah, it broke structure with the body. Well, just quite a little bit, right? So even though we may not have a very strong break of structure, body break, right? We might actually have a very deep retracement on this guy into this area. Excuse me, sorry. Let's check the weekly. Okay, into these areas of into these areas, right? We can have, excuse me, we can have a deep retracement into these areas on the weekly. Oh, we already had the retracement into that area on the weekly, right? So into this area on the weekly, taking out previous weekly low as the liquidity, right? And then we can actually have price action do what? Price action take out. Possible for price to do what? For price to give a deep retracement into this point as liquidity, and then we can start having buys from here. But the point is that on this very chart we have the point is that on this very chart we have price take previous weekly low, right? Tap into weekly key level and then reject. This is something we want to see, right? So weekly rejecting weekly. On the daily, we do have what? We have nothing yet on the daily, right? So we crack our head to check the 4 hour. I have what on the 4 hour? Okay, that's very good. That's very good. We have a breakout on the 4 hour, right? We have this bullish breakout on the 4 hour. So, like I told you, we can have we can start having bullish continuations from here because price tagged into this 4 hour demand while taking this previous H4 low, right? So price tagged into this 4 hour demand while taking this previous H4 low, we should be expecting what? Bullish price actions up until this supply, and then if these guys get taken, price can actually break this guy, come back to rebalance it and continue to taking out these highs, right? But then if price decides to give us, because this small price action right here is bullish, right? Weekly is bullish. Sorry, weekly gave us a rejection, daily gave us a rejection, 4 hour shows us that price action is bullish, right? Weekly overall is bullish. So if price can actually take out this high right here, take this guy right here, rebalance this guy, we can get price to take out this guy. We can have a little bit of reaction from here, some sort of that, but could still take out because of the other flow of price action, right? So I think that's that for BTC USD. Let's use our premium and discounts to even take a closer look, right? So price is basically at discount. So yeah, we're good. We good, we good, we good, we good. So with that being said, see you all on the next video. Bless up, guys. We'll talk to you later. Peace out.